Princess Cruises quietly increased the prices of their Plus and Premier packages globally, without warning, on the 22nd of July 2025, effective for sailings from 14 January 2026 onward. The good news: if you've already booked with Plus or Premier, you'll keep the old pricing and benefits. But now, prices are going up, up, up. Princess is clearly seizing the opportunity to boost onboard spending by removing perks and reducing inclusions. In this video, we'll break down all the major changes to both packages clearly and concisely. First, the price hike. Princess Plus, pre-cruise price, US $65 per person per day, US $70 on Sphere-class ships, Sun and Star Princess. Princess Premier, pre-cruise price, US $100 per person per day, was $90. US $105 on Sphere class. For Australian cruisers, Plus now costs Australian $79 per day. Premier is Australian $129 per day. In percentage terms, Australians are hit the hardest, with 20 to 30% increases. Plus is up $14 per day, Premier is up $29 per day. And don't forget, Australians already have crew appreciation included in the base fares, so it's not part of the packages here. Princess Plus, what's changed? New benefit. 4 casual dining meals per guest per voyage. Removed perks, premium desserts, juice bar access, medallion shipping, fitness classes. Still included, plus beverage package, up to 15 drinks per day, up to US $15 per drink, Australian $22. However, the new rule is that all non-alcoholic drinks now count toward your daily limit, except water and specialty coffee and tea. On the 26th of July 2025, Princess emailed guests to say, open quote, specialty coffees and teas will be unlimited for Plus and Premier guests and will not count toward the daily beverage limit. Bottled water also doesn't count, and the packages include up to 12 bottles daily. Fountain soft drinks are included. Prefer a canned soda? Just ask. We'll provide one at no extra cost, if available. Close quote. Also included in Plus, Medallion Net Max Wi-Fi 1 device. Waived Ocean Now and room service delivery fees, crew appreciation included except on Australian cruises. Princess Premier, what's changed? New benefit, shore excursion credit based on cruise length. 1. $100 for 6 to 9 days. 2. $200 for 10 to 20 days. 3. $300 for 21 plus days. Removed, same as Plus, premium desserts, juice bar, medallion shipping, fitness classes, Princess Prizes entry. Still included, Premier beverage package, unlimited drinks, up to US $20 each. Unlimited specialty and casual dining, Medallion Net Max Wi-Fi, 4 devices, waived Ocean Now and room service delivery fees, unlimited digital photos plus 3 physical prints per guest, reserved theater seating, crew appreciation, not included for Australian fares. What do you think? Will you still book the Plus or Premier package at these new prices? Are they less appealing now that perks are cut? Or does Premier offer better value on longer cruises with the new shore excursion credits? And what's next? Will drink prices go up to make these packages look more attractive? Drop a comment and let us know what you think.
RPMS